我们非常期待北京中轴线能够把它的历史文化价值充分展现出来。
Beijing is like a service station on this expressway.
Now I feel like I'm just a Beijing boy.
大家国庆节快乐！
国庆快乐！
Я желаю всех с праздником.
国庆节快乐！
My name is Terry Townsend. I'm a British wildlife conservationist. I've been based in Beijing for just over 10 years. I really like the people here. I think it's an extremely safe city. So when I first arrived in Beijing and people found out that I was a bird watcher, most people look at me quite strange and say, "Why are you in Beijing? There are no birds in Beijing." But as I started to explore, I very quickly realised that actually Beijing is a really good place for birds. The Wenyu River is really important for birds. The water quality has improved a lot, and that has probably meant that the fish population has increased. So we have here today many bailu, the egrets, and they breed here. They eat fish. Beijing is like a service station on this expressway, and many different types of bird can be seen here. I was seeing big numbers of birds. This is something that Beijing should be very proud of. And so that's why I really started to build the website and help to create awareness about the richness of the bird life here in Beijing. One of the things that I did was to research the number of birds that have been recorded in different capital cities. If you look at the G20, so the 20 major economies of the world, Beijing ranks number 2, behind only Brasilia. So it's much better than my capital city, London. It's much better than Washington DC, Paris. So this is the pavilion where we started the Beijing Swift Project in 2014. So in here there are around 200 Beijing swifts that make their nests, and they make their nests inside on the beams. We managed to catch 31 and fit geolocators to them and release them, and then the following year we came back and managed to catch 13 of the original 31. The Beijing Swift has a special significance in Beijing. They moved into the city when the original city walls were built in the 1400s. And so they've really been part of Beijing since the city was first built. This project revealed for the first time that these swifts, when they leave Beijing, they travel all the way to southern Africa for the northern winter and back again. They do this journey without landing. So they eat in the air, drink in the air, sleep in the air. National holiday this year, I'll probably be in Beijing. We're currently doing a project on the roof of AIIB, which is located near the Olympic Forest Park. And that's a project where we're recording audio at night to try to get an insight into the number of birds that are migrating over Beijing. In autumn 2021, we did a pilot project. We recorded more than 34,000 bird calls of around 60 different species. Everyone wants to protect what they love, but they can only love what they know. The key first step is that awareness. There are many wildlife conservation NGOs like Shanshui Conservation Centre at Peking University. There's an NGO in Yunnan focusing on gibbons, NGO in Xinjiang focusing on the mountain wildlife. So all these local NGOs are springing up and all doing great work to to celebrate and protect China's amazing natural heritage. I think I'll be working in conservation all my life. I think it's like my mission. Even if I retire from a job, I'm sure I'll still be working on wildlife conservation.